we're gonna have in 1 p.m. less than 2 hours, the 15 minutes, which will be dealing with stock picks. Now, stock picks is everything, you know, because how you prepare for the day, for what reason, which part of the day, that will be what we're gonna talk about it. Now, I want to show you some of the trades like that were today. So NFLX, for example, was on my radar because it has earning. So if you watch, for example, Netflix and pre-market, you can see immediately those levels. And then when you trade it as market open, basically they give you everything you need. So you get into the trade and you have a stop around here, and then you just let it grow, and every pullback of the stock, you know, you can lower your stop and actually add aggressively, and then you can get huge move. And again, it was pretty clear from the chart. Again, careless that it's a $500 stocks, you know, it's technical. That's what's important for me, at least. And of course, space to earth, you know, I put some post about space, but this is I think a week I'm trading space because it's so technical every day. Like I was trading yesterday, and that was the high of yesterday, the 33 level, and see what happened on 33. All the big volume, so everything is in the text. Another nice trade that was traded was WDC. Now, I'm going to talk today about something I like to call a sister trades. That means you see something but you trade something else. So STX, for example, again had earning, probably bad earning. Again, you can catch it on a very simple screener. And then there was not enough volume, whatever. There was no formation. So the sister stock of STX is WDC. Okay, so if you watch WDC, and this is what I like to call my straight A strategy. I love to see stock that pulling down, then start finding the low, basing on the VWAP, and had a big percentage of institutional, over 80, small percent of short, and then just let it go. Made it beautiful. What was special here is I saw, but I did it a little bit late. So you see, as the trade's going on the double top here, you see that the size of the candle are getting small, and the volume also. Because if you can see it on 5 minutes, you actually can see the power, big volume, and then it's drop. If I was totally a robot, here, this is where I would get in, you know, because it's a double top, short it, which I didn't do. What I did is, as I get the pullback, I let it stop here, and then I got into short after the stock broke it. Why? Because still there was a huge opportunity of risk reward, and it's working pretty nice right now, like 60 cents, 70 in the money. So it was a good day today, no complaints. I want to introduce my mentoring program one-on-one, which is a program to improve your trading plan, to build your setups, to develop a solid trading plan, and in order to cause you to be a better trader. So you asked me about the second part, second day momentum strategy. Why is it is good, and why do you don't see why people doing this? Careless. I think it's one of the Uh, one of the best and one of the best that you can actually prepare in advance. And I think I posted this week. Uh, Space was a second and and a third and whatever. It's amazing because you can learn the levels of the pre and you have to learn. You have to learn it. You have to prepare. I'm not following so many people on the YouTube, so why you don't see it? I don't know. Again, I care less. People wants to excited people with wow, we're making a lot of money and let's start every day from scratch and let's run after stocks and stocks and stock. Like today, I was following maybe 4 or 5 stocks. Why? That was amazing. So why should I run like a rabbit, from stock to stock to stock? And believe me, sometimes I don't have even time to do those kind of things. And sometimes it's a decision, especially right now in the earning, you definitely can decide that today I'm going to focus on the second day because if I see a lot of good candidates from the day before, why should I not, trade them? Okay? Like for example, STX for tomorrow can be amazing. Again, STX, and I don't know if you were at the beginning, I was talking about STX that I didn't have something at the beginning, but I was trading a sister strategy. And instead of trading the STX, I was trading the WDC here. So things happen and you should find your own niche. You can learn if some people, inspire you, follow them, but look for the inspiration inside. I think there you can find the unique trader that you are not imitating some others. Hard part stock selection and trade management is sound easy. Emotion takeover. Trade management not easy. Everything sounds, but nothing is easy. It's easy when you know what you're doing, which most of the people don't. You have to structure it. Trading has to be structured. You have to use those words that you know. And again, each one of you invited to join my mentoring uh, program. Basically, we are dealing with everything. So when you're actually coming into a trade, your values are already there. It doesn't matter if I'm trading, Python, Tesla. The values are there. And when I'm talking values is, I have to do a checklist before whether it's a good trade or not. Just because it's a good formation, care less. I need to see a good risk reward. I need to see a good trend. I need to see what the market's doing. Again, I don't have problem to short a big, strong stock, but I need reason. What it pre-marketed, trades that I will do after 3 or 10 minutes will be different than trades that I will do after 40 or after 2 hours. So all those things need to be addressed. You just can't jump and now when you use those values, you can trade it when it's short, long, whatever, reversal, breakthrough, scalping, name it. Most of the people don't. Most of the people do all kind of improvisation, and this is how the trading look like. You can't. When I'm getting partial, I know that people like 1-1, 1-2. Nobody cares that you do 1-2. You have to look at the chart. You have to see if the volume increases. You have to see if the range of the bar is getting higher. You have to see if something there's a catalyst. So there's so many reasons that you should follow. So, and when you have these values and you actually trade in them and learn them and trade it small, but if you have a good stats, then you can grow. It's a long way, but I think it's a fascinating way, for sure. Behind the scene, and I'm talking about not the technical, not the pattern, not the reversal, not the chart. Those are things that usually when I do the mentoring, we can cover, few months you can go, but the most important things to focus and to fight is the devils inside. And in order to fight the devil inside, to get a nice awareness, you need to come balance every day. For me, the balance is this: the beach every day, going to the beach, throw all the bad thoughts, get all the inspiration, make a self-talk, and solve lots of my issue. So for me, it was the right way to do, and part of doing this, doing exercise, running, in order to get a better, understanding of myself, and it's helped me to come focus every day and do the best I can.